Assalamualaikum. We're moving into our new place today, mashallah. So we're about to do a walkthrough and show what the place looks like. You excited?
Yes.
I'm very excited.
I don't remember what it looked like because
Yeah.
the last time we visited it's been a while.
Yeah, we don't really remember. I have an idea, but we don't really remember. We just remember that we really liked it. So let's see.
Keep it on.
Oh, this must be the utility closet. Does our key open it? Or only their key?
Oh, okay, nice.
Oh, okay, it's probably just for maintenance. Okay.
I hope it's not oh, it's not that.
Okay.
I like this. This has more space than ours because you can walk in there. With
And you could close. It has a double door to close. Mashallah.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah, I don't remember this. I don't remember. I mean, I remember, but I think the one we saw was a little different.
Wow, that's a lot of space.
Right?
Look at the sink. Yeah, the one we went in was another one. I remember. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, we definitely have the pool view in the corner, which I do love, mashallah. This is a nice wall right there.
Ceilings, high ceilings.
Yeah, very high ceilings. I do remember that. Track lighting. Yeah. I was saying something. I lost my train of thought. Okay, so this would be Malik's room. Yeah, the shelving, little decorations. I think I do remember that part. Okay. Well, this is I remember the closet size. I love that the bathroom is separate. The second bathroom. This is a lot. Wow. Four. Yeah, it's a lot taller. Okay.
This, I don't know if I may not need to put another one there because this looks.
Yeah. Now tell them about this little stuff here. I don't think that can be cleaned. I think we need to let them know that there's minor damages there. So when we move out, they don't try to charge us for it. Okay. Yeah, they kept this up pretty well. Okay, guys, so I went on the website and looked at the floor plans. This is the same floor plan. It's just that I guess it's turned facing a different direction, or the kitchen, this area, and this area. It's like turned. So from what I remember in my mind, it's just a little different, but it is the correct layout and the correct square footage. So, whew, relieved. But y'all, somebody tell me, why is it that they have a built-in wine rack as if everybody in the world drinks wine. So, I mean, I knew that this was here from when we looked at the place, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. So, any ideas on what I can do to decorate this? I'm thinking maybe fake flowers, but I'm not really a big fan of fake flowers. So, I'll have to figure something out to make this look cute. So, yeah. But let's start getting some stuff in here. I will update y'all whenever I update y'all. I don't know. Oh, and the other thing is I need to figure out an area where I'm going to do my tutoring setup. So this area with the windows, I mean, absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. So I don't want to like close any of the windows and use it as a background. I want these windows open. Like, it is beautiful lighting. Let me show you from this angle. So just imagine like shooting videos in the kitchen with all of the windows open. Like, y'all see the lighting? Crazy nice. Okay? Crazy nice. So yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna put my little corner desk. I love the pool view, mashallah.